Make sure it is securely connected. With this one you need to start up the engine. Now watch out for the test light, it should glow red to indicate there is voltage going through from the HT lead up to the spark plug. Actually glow. Test number 2. With the engine running, carefully remove the HT lead. At this point you should hear the engine starting to give up. But on cylinder 4 the engine hasn't been affected. Cylinder number 1, however, when the HT lead is removed, the engine starts to give up. Don't pull the HT lead all the way out, just so the engine starts to give up. Test number 3. If you take out the spark plug and you connect it to the HT lead, ground the spark plug on the bodywork of the car, but you need 2 people to do this, one to crank over the engine and one to earth out the spark plug. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and more coming soon.